All right, we'll move on to the next point.
Yes.
Now
Let's
coming
go.
to the structure. What we did was we did research, we did understanding. All right, in understanding, we saw some formats, mind maps, flashcards, audio. We saw in the chat itself, we were able to break it down into different things. Now coming to structuring the output. All right, for structure also, there are multiple tools available, but for the sake of time, we will do it in notebook itself. We could have done it in Notion, all right, but we will touch Notion in some other session. Today we will use it in notebook itself because I understand, we have done few things which were very new. So I understand that would take time. Hence, we are keeping Notion as the same platform for structuring also. All right. Now what we will do, we will basically put this prompt. This is again a prompt from our previous session concept where we are giving it exact structure and format as to what is the output that I want from that understanding. We did the research. Notebook has been able to understand my research. It has been able to tell me what it means. Now what we are doing is we are telling Notebook, this is the output that I want from you. I'll paste this prompt in chat. Okay. And you guys, so notebook till certain usage limits is fully free. But I think for enterprise usage, there are certain charges, but they'll be very low, something like a $9 per month, something like that. Not very expensive. Okay. So what I've done is I've pasted your prompt in the chat. If you look at this prompt, all right, you put it in notebook now. The next prompt that you put in, I'll also put the same prompt in notebook for you so that we are all doing it together. Okay. Now this is an output I want all of you to paste in chat. I want to see what is the output that you guys have received from here. Okay. So what we are telling notebook now is I want to convert this into presentation structure. I want it very concise. I want only bullet points. I want each slide to have only one section, one slide, 5 maximum or 6 slides. Each slide should have a title and few bullet points. I want the slides to be in this format. I want problem, root cause, key insights, team-wise actions, top priorities, and how the implementation plan should be. Now, basis this, notebook has given me an output. Everybody, please put in this output in chat. I would like to see if all of us are getting similar outputs. Now, what you will see, all of you would see slide 1, some output. Slide 2, some output. Slide 3, some output. Slide 4, some output. Slide 5, some output. I believe all of you would see this because this is the kind of structure that we defined in our prompt, and notebook has obliged or obeyed that structure for us, and it has given us an output. Everybody, please put in the outputs that you receive from notebook because this is where we will do the handoff. We will move from notebook to the next tool. Okay, I see a lot of people putting in their prompts in chat. That's really good. Everybody must be able to see that, the output is slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. That is the kind of output that we wanted notebook to give us. All right. Everybody with me? Everybody has received this output. Give me a thumbs up if you guys have received this output. Very nice. Now, for whatever reason, if your organization did not allow it or you are not able to use it, the output which we have received, I have put it on a drive link. I will give you that drive link so that all of you guys are with me when we move to the next tool with this output. All right. So I'll put it in chat. Okay, I'll mark it as a link. Shah, maybe I'll need your help to convert it as a link, please.
Yeah.
This is the link of another document which will be the output that notebook gave us. So all of us received this kind of output. Okay. Shreya, can you please convert that to link? I've just pasted it on the chat.
Done that. Yeah, just pasting
okay.
it.
So all the people who did not receive their own output from notebook for whatever reason, be it you were not able to do a certain step, be it because your organization did not allow you to use notebook and you don't have it on your machine, I have given you a link in chat. You can open that link. All right. Once you open this particular link, you will be able to get the output which everybody of us has more or less received from notebook. Okay. Let me know if all of us are together at that output point. All of us have that output. Give me a yes in chat if all of us have that output. Very nice. Very nice. Great. All right. Now what we'll do, we will move to the next part, which is the presentation. All right. So what we did research. We understood the research. Then we, on top of it, did a structuring of that research and structuring in the format so that I can use it to create a presentation. All right. For presentation today, we will use Gamma. All right. So how many of you have used Gamma? If you have used Gamma, you can put in a message like used or yes. If you have not used it, put in no. All right. We will guide you with every step. Nothing to worry. If you have used, very nice. I see if you used it. I see a lot of yeses. That's a really good thing. I see no's again. Okay. Very nice. So the link that all of you will have to open, all right, is gamma.app. I'll put it in chat for all you guys. Gamma.app is your link. So just open it on your machine. And what we'll do, we will basically try to create a presentation out of this output that we have received. All right. Everybody has been able to open Gamma. Is there anybody who has not been able to open Gamma on their machines?
There's a
Yes, you can
question.
apply custom branding, Vaibhav, but obviously Gamma, either you put it as an output on PPT and remove their branding and put your branding there, or second, you can get a paid version where your branding can go in inbuilt with Gamma itself. Both the options are available. So Gamma gives you certain free credits using which we'll be able to create a presentation right now. Okay. So what we'll do now that everybody has opened Gamma, I believe you have signed up there. If not, please sign up now. Okay. And then you will see certain credits here, which you will be able to use. Okay. Should we create the presentation now? Next. All of you have received an output. Okay. What we will do now is the first step to do on Gamma is basically to create a new presentation. This is the button that you will see in blue color right on the top. All right. All of you are able to see my screen, this create new button. Okay. So you click on create new button. You will see a screen like this. It will ask you whether you want to generate a PPT. This is where Gamma will do the research. Gamma will do the understanding. Gamma will do everything. But we have already done our research. We have already done our understanding. We have already done our structure also. Okay. So we will not ask Gamma to do a generation. We would just paste it in text. Okay. You click on paste it in text and you will see a screen like this. Everybody with me till the screen, put in a yes. Very nice. Now the output that you received from notebook, or if you have not received that, the output available in my document here. Okay. Just copy that output. If you have received from notebook, copy that output from notebook. If you have not received from notebook, copy the output from my document, which I just shared with you. And we will paste it here. We will paste it here. What I have done, I have simply copied my document slide 1 to slide 6 and I have pasted in Gamma. Okay. I want a presentation. So I have check marked the presentation here. You can create web pages. You can create document. You can create social media content on Gamma also. For now, we are creating a presentation. Okay. Once you do this, if you move a bit below, you will see generate from notes or an outline. So if you are putting in an outline on top and asking Gamma to generate, it will create its own content. All right. Second option is if you have put in a long format output and you want to summarize that particular output or document, you select option 2. But we have already done the research. We have already understood. We have already created our shortlisted structure. Why would I need Gamma to rework on that? Okay. That is where I say preserve this exact text. Now, in all your cases, if you're doing your research, structuring, understanding on ChatGPT, at the end of it, tell it, give me a Gamma ready prompt. It will give you directly a prompt to paste. If you have done somewhere else, ask it to create a structure like this. And in Gamma, you basically just preserve this exact text and click on continue to prompt editor. Everybody with me? You guys have been able to do it so far? Everybody has been able to do it. Very nice. The moment you reach the next slide, what you will see, it has already split your, output into multiple slides. Slide 1 is a different card. Slide 2 is a different card. Slide 3 is a different card, and so on. This is because we mentioned that this is my slide 1, this is my slide 2, and so on. Plus Gamma has certain, intelligence also on the AI front, where it will be logically also able to separate. On the left hand side, you see a certain options. Preserve is what we selected earlier. This is your theme. You can see a lot of other themes if you want. Okay. You have a lot of themes in Gamma, but these are very standard themes. We'll come to, what other things you can do. You can use any colorful themes, professional themes, light themes, dark themes, etc. And this is probably a theme which I think I might have created custom. So it is there. Okay. From there, after that, it will ask you what are the kind of images you want, whether you want illustrations in your presentation, or you want actual photographs, or you want abstract images, or you want outlines, etc. We'll just say, photographs. And it is also asking if you want certain extra keywords. So I will say I want hyper real images where everything should look really real. I say I would want cinematic lighting so that the lighting of my images is good. And I would say want contrast, and you can select any options there. Okay. Format is I want a presentation. All right. So these are some of the options on the left. And after you have done this, after you have verified that you wanted 6 slides and there are 6 slides here, you click on generate. Everybody please click on generate button and you will see a PPT being created in front of you. Let me know how many of you are able to see a PPT being created in front of you. And the text is exactly what we got from, notebook. It is not something Gamma is creating. It is something which we gave in. How many of you were able to create this presentation? People who have not used Gamma so far, did you like the tool? If yes, put in a wow in the chat. If no, put in something else. People who have not used Gamma so far. Very nice. Gamma is your new best friend. So good. We say AI is our best friend. So my co-founder Pankaj keeps saying AI is his best friend. AI skills. We will talk about AI skills and in next 2-3 years what would happen. So now we'll just quickly confirm a few things. We said that we want realistic images. If you see in my presentation, this is a real image. If you see, this is a real image. If you see, this is again a okay. There is no other image. Very nice. So all the images that it put was real image. All the slides which I mentioned were the same. The English has not been changed. It has been exactly the same as I had already created on Notion, on Notebook. Has everybody been able to achieve an output like this? All of you with me? Everybody has been able to achieve this? Very nice. So this is what we did. We pasted the output. We configured the settings. We said we want to preserve the text. We said that we want this particular image, etc. And now what we will do in Gamma also, we will do an iteration. I have written a very simple iteration which says highlight all the key points. Okay. So you go back to Gamma now. In that, you will be able to see agent on top. There is a button called agent on top. Click on that button. And on the right hand side, just paste, highlight key points. Just write highlight key points. Okay. I'll put it in chat for you guys. If you want to take it from here, you can take it from here. I am just saying, please Gamma, highlight the key points. And I'll say, I'll click on send to AI button. The moment I do that, it will redo the PPT a bit, and on the key points, it will put some highlighters. All right. So I can help you what approach would. It is asking me a question. I will say visual and visual annotations and add text overlays. So it is asking me a question. I have put in that input. All right. Let me know if you are able to talk to Gamma agent also. So now what is happening is there was presentation 1. There is presentation 2 which is created. And I have access to both of them. This is my original. This was my modified. So basically it is putting in some annotations on images, text overload. All right. It is highlighting a few things. Okay. It has highlighted a few things. It has highlighted this at the bottom, and you have access to both. This was my original. This was my modified. In Gamma, you can export both these. So there are three dots next to your name. You can export, and you can export in form of PDF, in form of PPT, in form of Google Slides or images. All right. So what I did was I basically sometime back exported both the Gamma outputs. All right. So this was my output in the previous iteration which I did. All right. And all of you guys would also have an output in front of you. How many were able to achieve this output? Put in a yes in chat, please. How many of you were able to create a presentation at the end of this entire thing? Very nice. I see a yes. I see a few thumbs up. I see yes again. Very nice. Very nice. So pretty much everybody was with us so far. So nice.